Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be dyeing my hair blue using two Arctic Fox blue shades. We have Poseidon and Aquamarine, and I am going to be mixing these and also diluting it with some conditioner as well. Right now I have kind of like a weird silvery blonde color. I got my roots done a while back, and then she also did a color remover and my hair was blonde. I will put in a picture of my blonde hair. And then basically what I've been doing is purple shampoo, so it's kind of like weird in terms of it wasn't quite light enough for it to turn silver, so it's like kind of silver. I mean, like, there's definitely some spots that are silver, but up near the top it's just kind of weird. In terms of supplies, I have two bowls. I probably will only use one, but I brought some hair dye brushes. I have two different kinds. This one's like soft, this one's more like traditional. I think I like this one better, but sometimes this one is good, so we'll see. A couple of hair clips. I tried to grab all my blue ones for the blue vibes. My conditioner to dilute the dye. I have these two old ones that have a little bit left, so I want to use that, but then I bought a new one. I have a hairbrush. I already brushed my hair though, so I don't really think that I need that. We got some gloves so my hands don't go crazy. I guess let me also show you guys like a before shot of my hair. Hopefully you can see. Go ahead and put some Poseidon into the bowl. This is like a very just like straight up blue color. I don't really know how much I want to put. I'm gonna try to see what I can get from my leftover conditioners. Oh. This is not gonna be pretty in terms of sound effects. Oh, my bad. Alright, I'm gonna mix this just because I am literally curious, like, what does that look like? Very nice blue. I think I definitely do want it lighter than that. I think that that's the hardest part. I don't really know how, like, what shade I'm particularly going for, kind of, but not really. Literally every time I mix dye, like, I don't really have a plan. I'm just kind of doing random stuff. I'm gonna add in some Aquamarine just to kind of see, you know, what kind of shade we can get. Oh wow, that's actually a lot darker than I was thinking. It looks kind of like almost like a teal blue, sort of. See what that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty, that's just straight up like blue. A little bit more Aquamarine, just kind of going back and forth with them. Some more conditioner. Mixy. I'm feeling extra nervous because I just don't know. Like, I'm not used to blue. Like, I've done every shade of purple that I can kind of tell what each shade of purple is going to look like, but this is very like, oh shit, you know? Right, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of start at the bottom. That's how I usually like to do it. All right, let's just go in. Oh my god. Oh, it's so scary. Look at that. Blue. I'm just so worried it's gonna turn green. You guys, I'm scared. Why does it look green? Does it look green? Why is that so scary? I keep like defaulting to looking in my camera, but I have a mirror right here, which is probably gonna be a lot easier to like see what I'm doing. Oh my god, this is so exciting. It looks like my eyeshadow. We almost have our first section done, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit more Poseidon. I think I do want it to be a little bit darker of a blue, so I just put a little bit of a squirt into there. Then I'm just gonna kind of go over everything, kind of resaturating these. I am getting hair dye all over my legs. I have like my shorts on, which I probably shouldn't show you guys because I haven't shaved my legs in like forever. Moving on to the next section. Oh my god, my cat's here now. I really hope he doesn't get any blue on him. This is so pretty though. Look at how vibrant that is. Also, I feel like now is a good time to mention that I do have a code for Arctic Fox if you guys want some money off. I think right now they're actually having a sale, like a Memorial Day sale anyways, but whenever that's over, you can use my code LADYSURVIVALAF for some money off on Arctic Fox. I'm literally so excited about like collabing with, like, joining the affiliate thing for Arctic Fox because I have loved Arctic Fox hair dye for many years, like probably 8 or 9 years. Mind you, I've only really ever bought their like purple hair dye, but even still, I've been a loyal Arctic Fox user for a really long time, so that's like a dream brand to work with for sure. I'm gonna do this next side, but I'm gonna film it as a Instagram reel because I'm trying to do a reel and a YouTube video, so I'll be back and have this side probably done. I'm back from filming a bit of my reel. I also did one piece in the front just because I thought that it would look more iconic for the reel instead of just doing like a random undersection, but we're just gonna pretend that that is not there and kind of go back to the section that we were doing. Here, I'm gonna try to I don't know what it looks like at the back. You guys see? Is it bad? Hopefully I'm getting it all. Okay, let us let down this section here. I'm just gonna focus on one half at a time now. Oh my god, it's so funny how this all like has blue tinges in it now. Alright, we only have a little bit more, maybe like 2 or 3 more sections before we're done this half. I still have a bit of dye left, but I think I'm gonna mix some more up just so that as I'm mixing it, it's kind of like, you know, already the base that I have. Then a little bit of Aquamarine, the conditioner. Hopefully that's close to what we had. I'm gonna get this underside just because why not? Make sure that we've got it all good. Alright, I believe that this side is totally done, assuming I didn't miss a spot or anything. I don't think I did, so let's finish this side. Okay, we just have this little tiny back section that's left. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna have to like get a mirror. I actually do have one. Brought a little mirror so I can try to see the back at the end here. So exciting too, because I bought these 2 small bottles myself. I actually ordered them on Amazon like over a month ago because I've wanted to dye my hair blue for a while now, but then I ended up not doing it right away and kind of sticking with the blonde for a little while. But then like around the same time that I ordered those, I was trying to get in contact with Arctic Fox, but it was kind of difficult to get a hold of them at first. And then she got back to me and I got on board with like the affiliate program, and now they're actually going to be sending me like the big versions of those 2 colors. I was like, I mean, I already have them, but I mean, I'll probably need to retouch it, so I think that they're shipping them to me, like the big bottles, so that's cool. It's so close, just a little bit more. Okay, let's split this guy into 2. Alright, you guys, the final strand. Then I'm gonna check and make sure that I haven't like missed any big spots in the back or anything. Okay, I'm just gonna take some kind of like extra dye and just sort of, you know, take it around all the main spots. Make sure it's really saturated. Now that we've got all the blue in my hair, I'm gonna let this sit for like at least an hour or two. So I'm gonna go play some World of Warcraft Classic Cataclysm, and I will be back in a bit. I am back with a little update about the hair. It's been like 2 hours and I feel like it has evolved a little bit. Like it's kind of dried, so it like looks a little bit different, and I'm getting so excited to wash it out. I think it turned out exactly like how I want it. So I'm gonna go wash it out and then I will report back to you guys and see how it looks once it's dry. I'll probably show you guys like once I'm out of the shower while it's still wet, and then I'll come back again to actually like dry it and finalize it. I am back. I just got out of the shower, so it's all rinsed out. Overall, I'm happy with it, but there's definitely some spots up here. I don't know if it's that I missed them. I swear to God I didn't, because even off camera I was really trying to saturate it. But I think that what happened is that with how much conditioner I used, like how diluted it was, my base color was definitely kind of darker at the top. I just think that the blue wasn't quite dark enough, so I'm gonna roll with it for now. I don't feel like re-dyeing it today. I will come and show you guys once it is dry. I'm back. My hair is totally dry. I really like it. I think it's so amazing. Like I said, yeah, there's definitely some spots that I must have missed them. I must have missed them. So all of these spots I think are totally my bad. Either I missed them or my base just wasn't quite good enough, or I should have had a darker blue. But overall, I mean, like, if you kind of don't consider the fact that it's a little bit patchy, I think it's so amazing. Like the shade of blue is so pretty. I think I will touch it up, not today, but maybe in a few days. So I'll have to give you guys an update. I think all things considered, it didn't go horribly wrong. I think it's really pretty. Like I love the shade. You can totally tell what it was supposed to look like in all of its glory. So I'm gonna go eat some strawberries and bananas because I have some strawberries that I need to get through before they go bad, and that sounds like a good way to spend my night. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye. Little bit of a hair update. It is the next day and I just went ahead and literally just dyed it. I woke up at like 10 a.m., stayed up till 2, and I just woke up and dyed it. I think it turned out a lot better. It's a lot more, you know, like saturated and vibrant and everything. And I definitely did notice that I think it's just that my base was not good enough, because there is still, it was fully saturated. I tried really hard, and there's just some spots where I guess my hair was just too dark. I would have maybe needed to have it bleached again to get like a true perfect uniform color. But overall, oh my god, I love it. It's so cool. It's so vibrant. I did blue eyebrows and the blue makeup again today, so it still needs to dry. I'm gonna go blow dry it the rest of the way and I'll update you guys, but I just wanted to show it kind of still, you know, wet-ish and everything, so yay! This is the final result for the blue hair. It is now totally dry. I love it. I'm really excited for this new era of having blue hair. I think it's so awesome. I will definitely have to update you guys in a few weeks how it's fading, if it's turning green or whatnot. I'm so glad that I fixed it and came back to update you guys so I don't have to like wait a whole week before I can post this. Once again, don't forget to use my code LADYSURVIVALAF for money off on Arctic Fox. I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye!